What is Python Interpreter None? I just created my first application for Google App Engines, which is called Hello World. It was the first lesson from Google App Engines How to Get Started tutorial. I tested it on my computer. I am using Windows XP, and it was working just fine. Whenever I would open a new window with my web browser, Firefox, I would always be able to see this phrase Hello World, which was a proof that it worked. Before I created it, I didn't know how to save a notepad file as a .py file. I asked this question here and quickly received an answer. However, later I received a comment to my question saying this. App Engine does not support Python 2.6. You will have better luck using a Python 2.5 release. Sad, but true. So I uninstalled Python 2.6.4 and installed Python 2.5.4. Also, I uninstalled the Google App Engine launcher and reinstalled it again. While I was installing it, a window popped saying that all the necessary prerequisites on my computer were found. However, when I added my existing application and wanted to run it with App Engine Launcher, a message popped saying this. Python Interpreter None not found. Cannot run project /python/hello world. Please confirm these values in your preferences, or take an appropriate measure to fix it, e.g. install Python. I tried deleting my application and remake it anew, to no avail. What should I do?
You need to set the Python interpreter in Window, Preferences, Google, App Engine on your Eclipse platform. Of course, I am assuming you are using the GAY Eclipse plugin. If not, disregard my suggestion.
Well, it is basically saying that it cannot find your just installed Python interpreter. It looks like you are on Windows, so check your environment variables, particularly path and Python path. They are probably still pointing to the previous 2.6 installation folder.
Headshot,